How to delete a Gmail account on laptop. So if you want to delete a Gmail account on laptop, first of all, understand one thing. Your Gmail is your whole Google account in a nutshell. You just only cannot delete Gmail. When you delete Gmail, which is a Google account, all of your Google account and all the services that is linked to that Gmail or Google account will be deleted. For example, if your Google Photos, Google Contacts, or any type of subscription or Google Videos or any of the services like even your Google account or YouTube channel connected to your Google account, all of those services are going to be deleted. Regardless of the cautions, if you want to go ahead and delete it, go to gmail.com, click on the profile icon from the top right, and you would have to go to this option called Manage Your Google Account. Once you go to the option that says Manage Your Google Account, you will be taken to this page where you have to simply go to the option known as Data and Privacy on the left hand side. From Data and Privacy, scroll all the way to the very bottom of the screen until you see this option that says Delete Your Google Account, which is your entire account and data. So simply go to that option. Google will also give you a warning as to what are the things that are going to get deleted. So you can also go ahead and then make sure to figure that out yourself. And once you have done that, you will see all of the information that is required to delete it. So it's also saying to please read this carefully. So I would also recommend you read everything because all of the services, right? Whether it's your Google AdSense, your Blogger, your Gmail, your Authenticator, your brand account, your YouTube, whatever else it is, all of those will be deleted. So you can click on the delete button if you'd like to confirm the changes. This way you can delete your Gmail account on laptop. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.